I'm Felicia.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
And welcome to Look Who's in the Kitchen.
Cook,
We bake,
we shake,
Well, all under the proper supervision.
so come on, take a look with me.
and let's see what's cooking.
I love to bake cakes and have everybody finish them until there's nothing left on the platter.
And I love egg salad. Hi, I'm Amari and I like to cook. My favorite food is spaghetti. Love to eat all types of shellfish, but mostly clams. I love to eat chocolate, pasta, and so much more. And my favorite food is shrimp pasta. I love to eat crispy pan pizza with extra cheese. I like to cook eggs with my mom.
I cooked brownies one time. I went on a roller coaster, then I went up and down, then I went down, then I went up, then I made eggs and spaghetti. Yummy Chinese orange chicken.
I love to eat cheeseburgers with fries on the side.
Stop laughing.
Moist and fluffy.
Yeah, and they were yummy.
Let's see what's cooking!
What's cooking?